Great day everyone! This is Ed's Realty Guide PH again. For today's content naman, nandito ako ngayon sa Visayas, the City of Love, Iloilo. As you can see, ready for occupancy na yung aming style residences. And this is the amenity area. We have amazing amenity as you can see. Ang lawak nung amenity natin. Ang lawak nung swimming pool as you can see. Oh. Hanggang 4 feet lang yung ating swimming pool. So, hindi siya delikado mag-swim. Meron din tayong kiddie pool sa kabilang area. Kasi hindi lang ito yung swimming pool ni Style Residences. Yun yung kinagandahan. Each building, meron siyang swimming pool na ma-enjoy ng mga future client, tenants na mag-i-stay at magpa-purchase unit dito sa Style Residences. Meron tayong gazebos dito, mga upuan, where you can relax and unwind with your family and friends. And meron din tayong toilet. Ayan, restroom. May restroom tayo dito. Few units left na lang due to the high demand. And the good things about this property, we are offering move-in now, which is yung parang rent-to-own na makaka-move-in ka na in just minimal down payment. And you still have 18 months to pay na zero interest developer. Plus, you can get a pre-furnishing package. Yes, you heard it right. May kasama na siyang mga furnitures and appliances. Hassle-free, complete na. Ikaw na lang ang kulang sa mga client na gustong mag-purchase o magkaroon ng dream home condominium. I-message nyo na ako dito sa aking Viber or WhatsApp.
Lights in the sky, stars are shining so bright. Close your eyes, make a wish, and your dreams will come alive. Oh, it's a good life, by the good guys. Have a star life, you'll be sky high. Be who you are. Feel like a star. It's a star.
May dalawa siyang provision for aircon. Tapos may dalawang window for ventilation.
At andito na tayo ngayon sa labas ng Style Residences. Ang ganda ng community dito sa Style. And sa mga clients na hindi nagmamadali, we still have pre-selling building which is Tower E and D. Meron tayong flexible payment term na pwedeng i-offer sa inyo. As you can see naman, meron tayong landscape garden dito sa labas. Ang ganda lang ng kulay gray and white. At bonus. Alam nyo ba guys na itong Style Residences is walking distance lang sa SM Mandurriao. Ayan. Just walking distance. Kung may bibilin ka, gusto mo mag-shopping, mag-grocery, kumain sa restaurants, lalakarin mo lang. Everything you need is just within reach. Kaya nga napakaganda ng location talaga nito. Hindi lang yon, sa kabilang side, nandyan yung Mega World. Yung Festival, malapit lang din dito. Malapit siya sa mga schools, hospitals, mga hotels, pasyalan. And kung napansin nyo, ay ang kino-construct is NU University. So school, another target market with a future. Yan, NU guys, under construction siya. Lalakarin mo lang, nandito ka na sa property ni Style Residences. Kaya, for sure, meron tayong maraming target market for rentals. At hindi lang yun guys, ngayon, kahit wala pa yung school na yan, laging fully booked tong condominium na ito. Alam nyo ba ang rate? Kasi nag-check-in ako dito. For the flexi unit na 28 square meter, they can rent out 3,000 to 4,000 a day. Depending on the furnishing of the unit. Yung fully interior, kaya ng around 3,500 to 4,000. Isipin nyo yun. Yung simple lang, nasa 2,800 yung pinakamurang nakita ko. So, nasa normally 3K talaga siya. Then, yung mga studio naman, nasa 2,000 a day. Studio. And, ang swerte talaga, and congratulations sa mga nakapag-purchase na, lalo na nung pre-selling stage. Nabili lang nila ito ng non-BAT, meaning they can save 12%. And right now, they are earning higher. Yun yung tinatawag na minimal investment, higher return. So they can get higher return of investment. And sa mga clients na naghahanap ng pagkakakitaan, ito na yung safest investment na masasabi ko. Kasi hindi siya nawawala, hindi mauubos yung oras mo sa pag-handle. And we have leasing team dito sa Iloilo na pwedeng mag-handle ng property nyo, na si Miss Cherry Ariston. Dito siya nakatira sa Iloilo. Ako kasi yung kanyang associate sales director or manager na nakastay sa Manila. So right now, bumisita lang ako dito and kinuhanan ko nga ng vlog para maipakita sa mga viewers natin at sa mga clients at saka sa mga future buyers na gustong mag-invest. Ayan. And let's tour around na guys. Ipapakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda dito sa Style Residences. Let's go!
Lights in the sky, stars